Tickler baby. Oh shit, I mean it was taped up properly. Okay, anyway, you can wait for it, so we got the taillights ordered too. Imagine these don't work, these are only reflectors.
No, chill. I don't even want to think that right now. So these are taillights because we just did the headlights.
Alright, you see how weird.
So there's that and that.
That actually looks pretty dope.
Yeah, I like that.
I think the silver thing is...
Yeah,
by the way,
see that. You won't see
remember who I was saying that the person who owns this car, she's the one recording. Does no work whatsoever.
I'm good.
I'll have a beer. I'll have a beer.
Hold on.
I'll have a beer.
What is that, semen? I mean, I quit drinking. What am I talking about?
Quit. I'll pass it over. Yeah, so let's get these going. First step, TJ.
L.2AR.
TJ.
I don't drink. Remember?
Take it.
Well, thank you, brother.
He's pretending on camera. Good boy. Mama would be proud.
Your face. What fucking bad for rolling
We're
in?
gonna fuck, dude. I said pull up to Surrey Central, e-brake, and just fucking
Bro, right into
in this thing.
right into the SkyTrain pole. Fucking just wrap around.
And then I'll be driving your car.
We're gonna make sure that it has another dent on this side. I don't have keys, he does.
Okay, what socket do I need?
I'm probably the same one, eh, dude?
Imagine.
It is.
One size taller. Let's see if this is the one. Oh, I'm fucking too smart for you guys.
Dude, I told you it was the same one.
No, you did.
Yes, I did. I literally said better.
I say let's make Quan do it. I'm a little tired. You guys wanna go watch TV? Make him do all the work?
Alright, brother, get your ass in here, man. It's time for you to push a little nut.
TJ?
I get this done in 2 seconds, boys.
I think we have a problem.
Coco, I'm gonna start jacking you up.
Buddy, I think we have a problem.
What?
Look at this. What is this?
That's the quad.
What kind of nipple is that?
Nut cover?
Is it? I'm not covered. Men need that. Yo, no, that's fucked up.
You can fucking save that piece of.
I say sell all these. We can get some money out of these.
Yeah, some crack.
Yo, I'm not getting that nut off though.
It doesn't need a nut.
What?
Yeah.
So does it just pop off?
Yeah.
Yo, it might pop off.
Yeah, it might.
Look.
TJ, I say pop the bitch.
Okay, give me a hammer.
Yes.
Give me a hammer.
Pop the molly, I'm sweating.
Okay. Who wants it? We'll start the bid at $5.
Wait, why is there a bulb in there? So that means you have to pull the shit out.
No, I think there's a bulb in here.
No, there isn't.
Actually, bumba clot.
Oh yeah. Another one as well.
Quan, you have the wrong tool there, bud.
Yeah.
Quan, that's the wrong.
Get it done, bud.
Look what tool he has.
I don't think that's the worst.
Yo, he got the other one out though.
Yeah, he did.
What?
Yeah.
Out of the whole toolkit, why do you pick that one, Quan?
What is it? Grooves on it, yeah. The new one doesn't. Man, Neil's broke the other way next time. Fuck. That was deadly.
That was deadly.
Maybe we can just try and see.
Well,
if
I'm
it
trying.
works out. I think the grooves were made because of that.
See the old headlight. Where's the old headlight?
Headlight?
Yeah, the old one.
Oh my god, that's tight. I don't know if that's gonna go on. That's a big issue.
Fuck it.
Send it.
Send it.
Fuck out of this car. She don't need taillights.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oi!
Is it tightening up? Though?
Yeah. It's on. Let's test it. I want to see this one. I want to see this.
Yo, I popped this in already, yeah?
Oh, that's nice.
I want to see. Someone record it for me.
Oh, that's nice, bro.
It's not showing up on.
Yeah, put it back in. Let me teach you how to do it. Maybe you can get her that. The shift knob.
Yeah, I popped it.
I don't like it.
What?
What the
I want it white. House.
Well, like, I didn't block the driveway, though.
I think it should be fine. I don't know.
I want to break something.
Yo, I can't even do that. What kind of light is? I mean, what
Do
kind
you
of
care about this person's car?
This whole car's gonna fall apart. Why are you just recording me? He said he doesn't give a fuck about it.
I don't.
And Budweiser.
Oh,
Oh! No more tight on
I
that.
don't know.
Pop the molly, I'm sweating.
Stop saying that. You don't even smoke.
Yep.
You don't smoke.
Smoke molly. That's how you know he's drug free.
I didn't mean it like that. I meant like.
Okay, here. So where's the wire?
Oh shit. Why am I always stuck in such uncomfortable positions? Get the fuck in there, bitch. Okay, test it, TJ. Oh, there's something in my ear.
Spider.
Spider. TJ, test.
What about this motherfucker, man?
Okay, I'll test it.
Fucking take this shit up.
Hope the battery
Why? Yeah, I hope the battery dies.
dies. What the what?
Oh.
Is it on?
Yeah. Do the indicator.
Indicate what?
Oh, I turned the wind wipers on.
Those are here.
Oh, okay.
I hope she gets pulled over, to be honest.
Me too.
It just makes a funny meme. What? TJ, it doesn't go on.
Yeah, I'm gonna slap you.
You had it.
Yeah, I'll put it back.
Mariah. They call me the Mariah. Okay, I'm done with that.
There.
See, I did it. Look at all this. With a fucking adjustable wrench.
You gonna put a NOS kit in this? Or?
No, I was kidding. Hey, it's not my car, come on, you're asking the wrong person. But... We're almost done, boys. Then we're getting some fucking jalebi!
Done.
Done what? You didn't tighten it.
You know what? I'll leave the headlight loose. I'm gonna go drink now.
Amen, TJ.
I don't drink. Remember?
Thank you, Neil.
Actually, no.
You're my brother.
100%.
This bitch.
Go home and we're taking the car.
Well, let's have an ass one behind it.
Oh yeah. I like it though.
And reverse.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that does look like a Mazda though. Look at that.